Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's the topic of our discussion is VLOOKUP. As we all know that VLOOKUP plays a very important role if we talk about Excel or the people who want to learn the Excel from beginning. So I just made a simple video for those people, especially for those who are beginners or who want to learn the VLOOKUP from beginning. So I just made some data for you so that we can use our example without wasting any time. And in this data you can see the name, age, salary, phone, department, and the joining date. And in this column we will just use our VLOOKUP function. And what VLOOKUP function will do, like we just need to put the name of the employee, and if we want to know the age, so we can use the VLOOKUP function and we will get the age of the employee. Like if I want to know the salary of Ronald, so what I have to do, I have to just put the name of the Ronald and his salary will reflecting here. If suppose I want to know the brain's department, so I just need to put the name of the brain and I will get the department here with the help of VLOOKUP function. So how you can use VLOOKUP function? By using a very simple technique or by using a very simple formula. So you just need to put the name of the employer, but before that there are two options you can put. Like you can first write the name manually of Mark, or there is another option which is the data validation function. So how can you use the data validation function? You have to just go here in the tabs, and in the tabs you can see the data tab, and in the data tab you have to go here in data tools, and in data tools you can see the data validation option. You have to click on it, and in this you can see the data validation. If you click on, you will get the box, and in the box you can see the any value. You have to just select the list, and in the list you can see the source. What you have to do in the source, you have to click on it, and in the source you have to just need to select all the employees name, and you can see the array address. You have to just click on OK, or you can just put the again, like I just put the on wrong cell, so you have to just go here again and you have to use the data validation. Click on data validation function and you can see the list, and in source again you have to select all the employees name and click on OK, and here you will get the data. Like if I just drag it, you can see the name of all those employees who are working here, or all those employees who are whose name are written in here. Like if I just put the name of James, so it will accept because the name of the James is also in our list. But if I just put the name of Peter, so you can see here the name of Peter is not written here, and if I just click on it, so it will generate an error, which means the name or the data which you are trying to give us is not in our list or is not in your list. So this is the power of data validation function. You have to just go here and select any name of the employee, like Anthony, Ronald, and all these employees are in our list. Like I just take the name of Daniel. Now here you have to use the data validation, or you have to just use the VLOOKUP function. So how you can use the VLOOKUP function? First you have to select the cell in which you want to use the VLOOKUP function. I select this cell, and then you have to go here in the insert function. You can see here I just click on it, and if I click on it, a box will appear and you can see the insert function. Then you have to just click on VLOOKUP, or you have to type on VLOOKUP. If you see the VLOOKUP, you can click on it, but if you are unable to see, or if there's not appearing the VLOOKUP, you can type the VLOOKUP, and you have to just go on the go option, and you can see the options, and in these options you have to select the VLOOKUP and press OK. Then a box will appear. In the box there are 4 options, or there are 4 columns in which you have to just put the data, and your VLOOKUP function is ready. So how you can use? In the first box it says which value I want to look. So we just need to put the name of the employees. So what we have to do, we have to say that I just put the name of the employee and you have to look the name of the employee. So we just press the cell and then click on the data in which we want to say that you have to check the name of the employee, then you have to give the result. So our first lookup value is our this address, which is C15, and you can also see it reflecting the data, which is Daniel. Now our second box, in the second box it says table array, which means from which I extract the data. So we have to just select all the name of the employees and it will extract the data of the employees. You can also see the reflecting like mark and then age, salary, which is basically the first row, it will reflecting the first row. Then in our third, which is our main or important box, which means what I will need or what I want to find. Like if I put the name of the employee Daniel, what I want to search, like I want to search the age. So the age of the employee Daniel is written in the column number 2. Why column number 2? Because we have took the data from this column and this is our first column, this is our second column. So we want the age, and if you want the salary, then we have to type 3. So I just first want to know this age, so age is in the second column, so I just write here 2. Then it says range lookup, so you have to just write here 0 for range lookup, and you can see the reflecting result. Like I put the name of the employee Daniel and I want to know the age, which is in the second column, and the age is also reflecting like 30, and you can see the age of the Daniel is 30. So I just click on it and you can see the age. If I just change the name like Ronald, so you can see the Ronald and his age is 40. And if I just change the name like Harry, so you can see the age of the Harry. Now I want to know the salary of the employees and I want to make some amendments in VLOOKUP. So you have to just go again in this cell and you have to go here insert function, a box will appear and the data is already in the box. So what we want, if I just put the name of the employees, so I want the salary, and the salary is in the column number 3. So you have to just change the column instead of the whole result. So you'll get the salary, and I just press OK. So I got the salary of the Harry, which is 40,000. If I want to know the salary of brand, so you have to just go here and select the brand. You will get the salary of the brand, which is 33,000. Now I want to know the joining date of the employees. So again you have to just select the cell and you have to go here in the insert function. The data is already available and is already in our list. So what we want the date of joining. So the date of joining is in the column number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the date of joining is in the column number 6. So you have to just change from 3 to 6 and you will get the joining date. But the format is different for the joining date, so you can change the format as per your own choice. Like if I just press OK here, so it is reflecting data not in this format. So if you want to change the format, you can go here and change the date format, so you can get the joining date of the brand. This is how you can use the VLOOKUP function with a very simple box function, or with the very simple function which is insert function, and you just need to put the data instead of typing the VLOOKUP function, then bracket, then its data, and then its columns. You have to just select here insert function and you have to just put the data which you want. You can make amendments in it as your own choice, and you will get the whole result with the help of this type of simple and easy function. This is what I made for you, and if you face any confusion in VLOOKUP, you can write in our comment section. We will surely give you a reply. And thank you for your watching, and kindly support our channel by subscribing and click on like and share. Thank you so much.